Spring's greetings from Image Hut. Today we are shooting the colors in nature, and that too with birds. Do you know what are the pictures I am getting? The pictures of barbet, pictures of parrot, and pictures of small tiny birds around the landscape. What they are doing? They are playing with colors, they are getting their feed together. And how I am getting these shots? I am using Nikon D500 camera with a 200-500 mm lens, and my intention is to get some quick shots with the mood of colors and also the action of the birds. So here you are. Yeah, now you see, in between the two buds where the flowers are blooming, there's a shift of a bird from one end to the other. And if you're having some action moments with a high speed shutter speed, it will be a crisp and clear picture which will make your day. And here it is. You can see the differences of colors and also the mood which has come out through these shots. I'll show you just now. Till then, enjoy this video with us and keep subscribing Image Hut Photography in YouTube. Thank you.